Baik, saya mulai saja ya. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Terima kasih kepada seluruh mahasiswa-mahasiswi kelas 3A to come to my class, and actually it is the second meeting of us ya. Let's see, before writing to the material, actually for today, I hope that it is become a regular meeting, not more on Wednesday anymore. Yeah, and then after Asar we already fresh to do our class. Let's see this opportunity to all of the members of group. I hope that you are ready to present your material, and then don't forget to make your material interest in presenting. And let's see, after that we will discuss, and I choose one of you as a moderator. This belongs to me. Who wants to become a moderator? I don't know exactly, but I will choose it later after this. And then I delegate the leader to the moderator, and then I hope that we will learn more about the mistaken, and then we pretend to develop our doing today. Okay. I hope that Khairani Asma, where are you, Khairani? Khairani? Khairani?
Yes, sir.
Khairani?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Khairani, I would like you to become your group 1, no?
No, sir. I am group 3.
Okay. Because of your retreats, no problem. You become a moderator. I delegate to open the discussions for today, and I hope the discussion will well done until the end. Okay. I think we can continue, and I delegate to Khairani. Khairani, time to you.
Okay, sir. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, I'm sorry. Initially, I will say thanks to Sir Ihsan as a lecturer from this course. Thanks to give me a chance to be a moderator for this meeting. Okay, before I start the discussion, I will want to ask to reciting Basmalah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, thanks. And then I wanna invite group 1 to present the material. Who's group 1?
Yes, Khairani.
Do you hear me? Okay. Are you group 1, Denaya?
Yes, and for others.
Okay, please present your material.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I want to thank to Allah Subhanahu wa
Denaya,
Ta'ala.
sorry,
Yes.
Before you begin your present, I wanna you introduce your friend in
Okay,
this
okay.
group.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
First of all, I want to thank to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala who has given hope and opportunity so that we can present our topic today. And salawat and salam to our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam by saying Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad. Okay, first, we thank to Sir Taufik Ihsan as lecturer of this course, and we are from Group 1. This group has 5 members: Adibah Sofwa, Agis Setia Abdana, Denaya Pratamianas, Gustiara Adisti, and Zakaria Martatuani Sregar. The first presenter is me. Today we're gonna discuss about pre-writing, getting ready to write. Please, Adiba, let's show our material.
Maybe your connection is not good, Denaya. I cannot hear your voice.
Okay.
Okay, we will write.
This is our material about pre-writing, getting ready to write. In this unit, we will learn about 3 points. The first one is choosing and narrowing a topic. The second one is gather ideas, and the last one is edit ideas. But before that, we have to know about pre-writing. What is pre-writing? Pre-writing is when you decide and plan about what you're gonna write before you begin writing. Okay, the first point is choosing narrowing a topic. Before we begin writing, we have to choose a topic. How to choose a topic? There are 2 steps. The first one is choose a topic that isn't too narrow or limited or brief, because a narrow topic will not have many ideas to write. And the second step is choose a topic that isn't too broad or general. Example like school. School is too broad for just one paragraph, so we have to narrow that, like secondary school in my country, or popular school clubs, or university entrance exams. Okay, this is the first material. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let's move to Gustiara.
Okay, thank you, Denaya. Next, maybe you can zoom the slide because maybe our friend cannot see early the present thing. Halo?
Okay, yes. I will continue the material. The brainstorming. What is brainstorming? Brainstorming is a way of gathering ideas about a topic. There are three types of brainstorming: making a list, free writing, and mapping. The first one is making a list. Start by writing the topic at the top of your paper. Underneath it, list whatever words come to you. Let your mind flow without interruption, without being critical of yourself. In other words, do not reject any idea that comes to your mind. Once you have a list ideas, read them over and over. Pick out those most closely related to the topic and cross out the ones that are not suitable. You may want to make another list using one of the ideas on your original list as the new topic. Try making a list of your topics in the order you want to present them. This kind of list can give you a guide for what to write about when drafting your paper. Okay, that's all the second materials. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, Tiara. Um, Thanks to your presenting, but I cannot hear your voice clearly. Why? It's a bad connection. How about your friends? Do you hear Gustiara voice? Okay, guys, sorry, I'm sorry. Because my connection is bad. Okay, we will continue again. Do you hear me, guys? Respond me if you hear me.
Okay.
Okay, who's the next presenter?
Me. Me, Hairani.
Okay, please, Aura,
Okay.
it's time to yours.
Okay. I will continue our material about next is free writing. What is free writing? Free writing is the technique of writing. The writers write anything from their own mind about the topic, which the writer continuously for a certain amount of time and ignore for the grammatical rules. This technique helps to practice fluency for writing quickly and easily. In the free writing technique, if the writers do any mistakes, the writer can take out necessary words and sentence later after finish the write. Okay, I think next we'll continue by Agis.
Who's the next? Zakaria.
Okay, I will continue the material. The next is about mapping. To make a map, use a whole sheet or paper and write your topic in middle with a circle around it. Then put the next idea in a circle above or below your topic and connect the circle with lines. The lines show that the two ideas are related. The example below show a map of what should I study at university. The right connected favorite subjects to the main idea. R and English are connected to favorite subjects to show they are they are related. The first is history, and the left side is become a teacher, and the right side is the past, too much reading. And the next is favorite subject, and the left side is about art, photography, painting, and sculpture. And the right side is about English, travel, and jobs. Next about what should I study? And the left side is good subject for jobs, journalism, business, good money, and boring. On the right side, least favorite subject are biology, science, physics, maths, and experiments. So that's about mapping. Thank you.
Okay, Zakaria, is it clear?
Sorry, Khairani, can you repeat that?
Okay, maybe Zakaria have a bad connection. Or maybe another friends of group 1 can explain this slide.
Yes, me Hairani. I will explain the next part. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
All right. Next, I will explain in the part editing, in writing. Editing. How to edit? After you have gathered plenty of ideas, you will need to go back and edit them. This is the time to choose which ideas are the most interesting, which are the most relevant to your topic. You, you can still add new ideas or, if you think of something else while you are rereading your list. For example, you can look in this material. Any example like this, you can read it. Are you can see this material, friend?
Yes, I can.
Okay, next. To edit free writing, cross out sentence or parts of sentence that are not related. You can add more ideas in the margin or add more sentence at the bottom. All right, that's about that's my explain about part editing Hairani. All right, thank you.
Okay, great, Agis. Is it clear? Is it clear? And then we have to question section. Any question, guys? you have question?
Sorry, Khairani, we want show
Yes.
article.
Okay, no problem. Okay, guys, do you have a question for group one?
Ariba, would you like to just present the article without explanation?
Okay, sir. Okay, guys, this is our article of group one. The topic is bad. The topic is bad effect of junk food for body health. We I want to explain the paragraph one. Junk food is also known as a type of instant or fast food. This type of food has indeed developed rapidly and increasingly in demand, resulting in intense competition by food companies in Indonesian territory. According to some people, this type of fast food is indeed more effective in terms of time. So, in this first paragraph, the main idea is junk food is also known as a type of instant or fast food, and the paragraph one tell about definition of junk food. For the next paragraph, my friends can tell about the paragraph, sir.
Alright, I will read the two paragraph and
Sorry, I can hear your voice clearly.
alright. Okay, I will read the two paragraph. Apart from that, junk food is also very easy to find. In fact, this type of food often has a delicious taste, and the price is also very affordable and friendly. In our country, this type of fast food has been long enough to invite various debates. This is because there are indications of the bad effects in the food has. In the paragraph 2, this junk food is easy to find and delicious taste. Alright, for me, next, my friend will explain. Thank you.
Okay, thanks, Agis.
Okay. I will continue the paragraph 3. The bad impact caused by junk food is triggered by the presence of harmful substances in this instant food. For example, the candles found in instant food, instant noodle, and so on. Not only that, fast food often contains preservatives and various types of flavoring such as micin. With the word micin, recently it is often used by teenagers and even adults if they experience events that are considered less normal. What is meant by less normal here is someone thinking late or not answering when invited to speak and others. It must be admitted that fast food or junk food is a dangerous type of food when consumed by the body as stated above. In this paragraph 3, the main idea is the bad impact caused by junk food. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, I will continue to paragraph 4. There are several types of research which states that consuming too often this type of fast food does not have an immediate impact on the human body. However, fast food that is eaten will later accumulate in the human body and can cause certain diseases to emerge at a later date. For example, cancer is a type of dangerous disease that attacks humans. Not only that, several other deadly diseases such as stroke, kidney stones, and appendicitis are also a separate impact for people who consume excessive types of fast food. Therefore, those of you who happen to be among those who like to eat fast food, you should start to reduce it from now on. The main idea of paragraph 4 is the bad effects of junk food after consuming it. Okay, the next paragraph will read by our friend Zakaria.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Tiara. I will continue to paragraph 5. As humans who need maximum health, you should start to love yourself by consuming healthy types of food. It is important to know that various types of instant and fast food contain various dangerous substances, one of which is wax, which is very difficult for the body to digest. The wax can then cause the body the digestive principle to be destroyed. Thus, the wax content can only be digested for at least 2 days after consuming this type of fast food. And the main idea of paragraph 5 is harmful substance in junk food. Okay, that's about our article.
Okay, Zakaria, maybe have a bad connection.
Okay, Haryani,
And
it's okay.
actually, okay. Is it clear, Zakaria?
Yes, Haryani.
I'm sorry, Zakaria. Maybe you can speak louder because I cannot hear your voice clearly.
Okay, should I repeat it?
Mhm.
Okay, as human who need maximum health, you should start to love yourself by consuming healthy types of food. It is important to know that various types of instant and fast food contain various dangerous substances, one of which is wax, which is very difficult for the body to digest. The wax can then cause the body digestive principle to be destroyed. Thus, the wax content can only be digested for at least 2 days after consuming this or fast food. And the main idea in paragraph 5 is harmful substance in junk food.
I think that's enough, to Zakaria itu. We'll come back
Oh,
to Kirani. Yeah, Hirani, it's enough for presentation. We'll continue to discussion.
Sorry, sir. I can hear your voice clearly.
Hello, can group one respond me?
yes,
Yes,
Rani.
Fran.
Yes, Rani.
Uh, yeah. Is it clear?
Yes, is it clear? It's
Yes, it's
clear.
clear.
It is
Yes,
enough,
Fran.
Rani.
Okay, apologize me guys before I have a bad connection. Okay, we will continue again. Can group one respond me? Are you presenting is clear?
Yes, Fran. Our presenting is
Yeah.
clear.
Okay. We have to continue the question section. Okay. Do you any question, guys? Maybe I will give you two question chance to group one.
Yes, Fran. What
Okay,
question?
guys. Don't worry to ask. Maybe if you don't understand the material, you can ask to group one. Okay, no one to ask, or maybe you don't hear my voice.
Yes, I can, Kai.
Oh, okay, thanks. Okay, guys, you are silent. It means you understand the material. Come on, guys, speak up. Okay, I guess maybe you can conclude the material.
Okay, conclusion. Any conclusions from group one?
All right, then I will conclusion our topic about rewriting. Um, uh, Before our begin writing, we should know what are going to write about. What you are going to write about. Then you plan what you are going to write, and um, that's for me. I think if others members in first group one, if you want menambahkan.
Any more additional from this group, from group one to add the conclusions? No?
Okay, sir.
Hmm?
In this material, before we begin writing, we have to decide and plan what you're gonna write about. And this unit, we should learn 3 points. The first one is choosing and narrowing a topic, and then we have to gather ideas, and the last we have to edit the ideas. So we can write the topic for a paragraph. I think that's all for me, sir.
Okay, enough, Ferani. So is it clearly presentations, no discussion.
Sorry, pardon, sirs. I cannot hear clearly. Sorry.
Okay, I think enough for presentations. Just closing. It's already for conclusions. Can you hear me?
Yes. Okay, guys. But sir, I have a question.
Oh, the moderator wanna ask. Okay, no problem. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So before we writing something, we choose we choose find the idea atau or main idea to write. So can we improve our brain to get the idea? Oh my god. Is my question logic, sir?
No problem. Yeah, asking to group one. Let's them to answer first.
So my question is how to improve brainstorming. Yes.
Okay, I will answer your questions, Kairani.
Okay, please, Gustiara.
Yes, you can hear my voice.
Yes, of course I
Oh
can.
yes, yes. Uh, your question is how to improve brainstorming.
Yeah.
First one is start with a clear question or problem to generate ideas about. Second is focus on quantity, not quality. The third, set a goal. Like I said before, uh, list whatever words come to you. Let your mind flow without interruption, without being critical of yourself. Do not reject any idea that comes to your mind. Once you have a list ideas, read them over and over again. Pick out those most closely related to the topic and cross out the ones that are not suitable. Okay, that my answers for you questions, Kairani. Is that clear?
Clear. Thank you, Gustiara.
Yes, you're welcome, my friends.
I have question, guys.
Okay, please, Julia.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Julia Sari. I have the question. How to find good and interesting ideas to write? You can hear my
Okay,
question?
can answer
Yes.
the Julaila's question, guys.
Can you repeat again your question, Julaila?
Okay, I waiting.
Yulaila, I just ask you to repeat again your question to make it clear because she still not yet comprehend your questions.
Okay, sir. I I replay my question. How to find good and interesting ideas for to write. Is it clear?
Understand, Agis?
Is it clear?
Understand, Agis? Yeah. Okay. Please answer.
All right, I will answer the question from Delilah. First, you can look around in your sekeliling, sekitar Anda. You can find idea what you want write, and then you can read a book or another books like magazine, novel, up to you, and you can find idea if you more or more than if you read a book. That's for me. If my friends in first group have any opinion, please for me. Thank you.
Okay, maybe I wanna add your answer. Can I?
Yes, Kai.
Okay. My teacher told to me that she give any tips to write and she said to me that when we are writing, we should give a question in our writing. For example, kita menambahkan kata kata tanya dalam tulisan kita. For example, what, why, where, who, sehingga sesuatu yang kita tulis tersebut be perfect and the reader cannot don't have a question with what we are writing. Okay, I think that's all.
Okay, thank you so much for the answer, Khairani and Gustiara. Thank you.
And maybe Sir Taufik can answer.
Not to answer directly, but I give it to you all. After this, I will conclude it all. Not from me the ideas. I think still continue. If there is more questions, you can continue. If finish the questions, you can close it. After this, I conclude all.
A finished question, sir?
Yeah, depend on you. Depend on you.
Khairani,
Ask to the audience.
I have
Yes.
a question.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Please,
wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I have a question for the presentation. You said brainstorming is a way of gathering ideas about a topic. So is that okay if we want to write something without reference? So like we just write our ideas without reference from other media? I think that's all about my question. Thank you.
Okay, thanks Radinda. So who's can answer Radinda's?
Okay, wait a minute. Dinda tadi? Apa?
Sir.
Radinda.
Raja. Repeat again your questions to make it clear.
When we want write something, is that okay when we just write our ideas without any reference?
Is it clear?
Yes, sir, that is.
Radinda asked about writing without references. Any question?
Yes.
Any answer from group one?
Yes, sir. I will try to answer the questions. I think it depends on what you will make. According to the topic you will write about. For example, like you will write the university. You start with the history of that university you will make, and others ideas that you found with your reference. Is that clear, Radinda?
Yes, thank you, Gustiara.
Yes, you're welcome.
Okay, Hairani. Hairani, I think enough for discussions. Not take too long. Just close the presentations as you moderator. After this, I will take your part.
Okay, guys, I think that's all the material about group one, and then I can conclude that before we get writing, we choose idea and something like that, and then we gather the idea, and then the next step is we editing the idea, and then I think that's all. I'm sorry for my mistake. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you for Hairani, and thank you for group one to presenting the material. Give applause to all of you. Yeah. Even though not much discussions. Wait a minute. here. Yeah, you can see me? If you can see me, please hand up. Yeah.
You look great.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
okay. Okay, close this one. Let's stop it. Yeah. Let's see. I will firstly I want to comment to the presentations. Maybe for the presentations it's running well. Something wrong on the connections, no problem. But we make it developing the presentation in a good way. Maybe you, as moderator, I will choose randomly every meeting. Yeah. I don't know exactly why Hairani become a moderator for today. I think that's nothing for our preparations, but no problem. It is the way to speak. Yeah, yeah, no problem. We are learning.
Thank you, sir.
And then for the presenter, I appreciate to your material, how your group present the material. You able to decide your part to present. Is it a good presentations? The weaknesses maybe this the article that you choose. Actually, is it good article? But make it suitable with your material presentations. Yeah, your material, narrowing topic for starting to write. In the study cast, isn't it? You explain about the article on paragraph, not linking to your material. How you to write, how to narrowing a topic, how to getting the ideas according to the article that you use. Masih kurangnya di sana itu. How to linking your article to your material presentations. I hope that you're able to linking the material to the article. My hope itu, harapan saya. But no problems, we're still learning. But for the others group, I hope that choose the best article that can be explain all your material. Jadi nanti akan seperti itu dia. Akan lihat itu. Yang mana yang materi kita yang menyesuaikan kepada artikel yang akan kita presentasikan. Jadi nanti seperti tadi yang mana yang getting to brainstorming. Yang mana artikelnya, which one? Harusnya ini itu bukan artikel lebih cocoknya pada draftnya ya sebenarnya ya. Drafting, because you still on the draft. For what did you do before you have a good essay? Kan itu nih materinya for group 1 ini. Especially from the topic, which one that focus one. Jadi akan seperti itu dia pada materinya. Let's see, present this one. Did you see? Ya, bisa lihat. Ya, look this one. Ini kan poin dari materi Anda, getting ready to write. Choosing and narrowing topic, brainstorming, listing, favoriting, mapping, editing. Jadi tadi Anda sudah jelaskan tentang semua ini. Ya, how to choose and narrowing the topic. yang mana fokusnya kemana ke yang mana satu gitu ya. Kemudian Anda brainstorming, karena pertanyaan dari siapa, langsung saja ya, saya jawab pertanyaan dari how to get interesting brainstorming. Tadi ada pertanyaan seperti itu. Ya, in this brainstorming, I think that it's belong to you. Maybe you have from the resources such as the material, journal, article, and also the experience. Jadi juga dengan pengalaman-pengalaman Anda. Karena tadi ada pertanyaan tentang ini, writing without any references. Don't forget, experience is your references. Nah, jadi nggak bisa, nggak ada writing without any references. Adanya pasti pakai ada references. Nah, jadi in brainstorming, you have your own informations. Jadi punya informasi-informasi yang Anda dapat. After that, the informations you become your references, and then you thinking much with listing. Apa saja Anda yang akan list tadi? Kan ini materi Anda seperti ini kan? Materi Anda seperti ini, mana listing tadi? Oh, this no. This one. Ya, making list, write a single words, paraphrase, sentence, bla 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 bla. Jadi semuanya, semua ide Anda itu, semua pokok bahasan yang Anda akan pikir itu adalah Anda bikin di sini. History, map, bla 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 bla, until friends. Jadi dia akan seperti itu, akan banyak listing-listingnya. Harapannya seperti itu. And let's see. After that, you do free writing. Dari semua listing yang Anda bikin, Anda lakukan free writing. Bebas, semuanya Anda tulis dulu. Ya, sesuai dengan keinginan Anda, sesuai dengan listing Anda. After that, you do your mapping. Here in mapping, this one. In mapping, I think that you make it connections among all of your paragraph. Karena tadi kan listing tadi biasanya itu dalam satu paragraf itu, satu listing satu paragraf, satu list satu paragraf. After that, you make it, you arrange your paragraph by your mapping. Jadi nanti akan seperti itu dia. Nah, setelah itu barulah Anda edit, ya. Kan yang terakhir adalah editing. This one, edit everything that you want to edit. Jadi bisa nanti Anda ini kan contohnya itu yang mau Anda coret, mau hilangkan apa saja, mau dikurangi dari listing Anda yang tidak digunakan, ya seperti itu. Jadi all of the preparations must be have before you write. Because so it means that getting ready to write. Jadi Anda sudah more preparation here. Nah, sampai di sini paham?
Paham.
Ya, paham semua ya. Nah, jadi ini saya cuma menegaskan saja untuk materi kelompok 1. Karena preparation to writing ini sangat penting juga. Anda tahu dulu generating idenya di mana dan seperti apa yang harus Anda lakukan before you write. Karena di free writing itu tidak semuanya yang akan Anda masukkan ke dalam essay writing Anda. Jadi konsep ataupun kerangka tulisan Anda itu sudah sangat jelas dalam essay writing-nya. Oke, Anda sih ada pertanyaan dari siapa tadi? How to get interesting ideas dan writing without any references. Saya coba tegaskan kembali. How to get interesting ideas? It means that by listing and mapping, harusnya seperti itu tuh. Ada sedikit connection, yaitu ketika Anda telah melakukan listing and mapping, all of your ideas will be limited because you already focus on that ideas that you want to write. Nah, jadi nanti dia akan seperti itu. Ada pilihan-pilihan dari beberapa list idea yang Anda inginkan tadi, karena sudah mulai muncul apa tadi, tulisan tadi, beberapa tulisan, setiap satu list itu ada satu paragrafnya, berarti Anda sudah mulai fokus. Nah, dengan mapping tadi Anda sudah menghilang-hilangkannya, dan sudah Anda arrange dengan baik tulisan Anda, berarti ideasnya itu sudah terfokus. Nah, itu jadi makanya nanti interesting tadi bukan dia muncul tiba-tiba saja, kemudian Anda tulis bla bla bla, bukan. Dengan konsep seperti ini, tulisan Anda tuh lebih fokus dia. Kalau Anda tulis idenya, kemudian Anda masukkan di paragraf pertama, kemudian lanjut paragraf kedua, jadi relate-nya antara paragraf itu tidak akan ada. Masih hanya dalam bentuk draft free writing. Ya, dia akan seperti itu. Let's see. Saya tekankan kembali. Ada yang bertanya tadi tentang writing without any references. Actually, it's going to be right, yeah, because you will thinking about informations. Jadi ketika kita mau menulis itu kan kita berpikir tentang informasi-informasi apa yang mau kita tulis, ya. Tentunya ada beberapa referensi. You get it. Baik itu dari buku, jurnal, termasuk your reference on your experience. Pernah Anda menulis apa? Anda nggak pernah pula masuk sama Pak Yasir ya, belum pernah masuk sama Pak Yasir. Your memory, unforgettable memory, kan itu kan? You write your unforgettable memory. Seperti kesan-kesannya seperti apa itu kan referensi Anda yang pernah tertanam dalam diri Anda itu ya. Jadi unforgettable memory itu kesan ketika Anda holiday, kesan ketika Anda patah hati, kesan ketika Anda curhat sama teman-teman. Nah, ya kan ada bekasnya gitu ya. Jadi ini adalah sebuah example references by experience. Jadi jelas sekali ya, tidak bisa kita menulis when you without your references. Okay, I think is it clear enough? Ada yang mau ditanyakan dulu? Saya menegaskan saja. Nothing. Nothing. Let's see at the last for the presentations for the next group. I hope it will be better than today. And every group for the next must ask one questions each group ya. Jadi nanti diskusikan siapa yang akan bertanya untuk pertemuan selanjutnya. Setiap kelompok harus bertanya satu. Nah, jadi ada partnya masing-masing. Saya ingin dengar suara Anda. Dan saya tekankan kembali, artikel ataupun jurnal yang you choose must be relate to your material presentations. Jadi ini yang paling penting, karena kita akan study case, kita akan lihat yang mana sih bagian daripada listing tadi gitu ya, bagaimana yang mana sih bagian daripada mapping tadi. Itu yang saya inginkan dalam konsep artikelnya. Kalau belum bisa Anda cari, tidak sesuai dengan Anda cari, itu Anda bisa bikin. Yang penting case study-nya mana contoh nyatanya mana gitu. Ya. Jadi nanti langsung kita material with the presentation and then the real one. Yang faktanya mana. Oke? Karena nanti saya langsung berharap di pertemuan setelah mid semester test langsung kita nulis sampai akhir semester. Ya? Jelas itu semua?
Jelas, Sir.
Okay.
Jelas, Sir.
Cukup? Oke, saya rasa cukup itu untuk pertemuan kali ini. Yang enaknya hampir selesai juga 1,5 jam kita kuliah pada pertemuan ini, nggak terasa dia. I hope that you enjoy to my class anymore. And then Fatia, kalau salah saya tadi ya, I hope that you make your notes for attendance list. And then I think enough for today. Say hamdalah.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
Nothing more to discussion. Let me to say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
I forget that it is our regular meeting ya. Jadi pertemuan kita tetap kembali ke hari Jumat ini ya. Di hari Jumat ini jam 4.
Yes, sir.
Ya, nggak ada masalah kan?
No.
No problem, sir. No problem.
Okay, sir.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.